The first one is financial impact. So it's a very basic one that's never missed almost. Is it a financial benefit or a non-financial benefit, right? So benefits have to be tangible, it has to be measurable, but sometimes it hits the financial aspect of our organization, and sometimes it hits the non-financial aspect. The second one is cashable and non-cashable. Now there's a difference, okay? So even if it's non-financial, we encourage a cashable kind of output, or a benefit, right? So cashable is something that can be cashed out. For example, we are showing staff, we are saving staff efforts. Now if this means actually you will be able to release one of those one of the staff, or few of the staffs, then it's actually you're saving money, right? And it becomes cashable. But you may be, saving efforts of your team, but not necessarily can you release them. But what that means is you can take in more work that would have costed us to hire someone else, or the quality of those work would have compromised. But now because we are saving effort on these, we will be able to deliver that with a better quality. So this is not cashable, this is non-cashable, right? Now let's move on, which is about efficiency and effectiveness. So there are two similar categorization that exist, so I'll cover both of them together. So one of it, we say that efficiency slash productivity and effectiveness slash performance, okay? The other one we say as a value proposition of the benefit, and it comprises of three aspects. One is economy, one is second is effectiveness, third is efficiency. So in this set we categorize it to three categories, right? Hope we understand the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. So efficiency is you are delivering something, now you will be able to deliver the same amount or quality or value with lesser input, right? The whatever was the input, could be effort, could be infrastructure, could be cash, could be money, whatever is the input, that is less due to this benefit. Or the other way is with the same effort or input, you are delivering more. So that's efficiency. Effectiveness is you're getting better. You are, it's not with respect to the input, it's about whatever was the output, we've got better on that. It could be on value, it could be on number, it could be on quality, whatever, we have improved. The effectiveness of our delivery has improved. We are a better deliverable team now, right? So let's move on. Few more that I want to add is corporate objectives. Now this is kind of a mixture of various aspects, and it's different from strategic objectives of an organization, right? So we try to map benefits to strategic objectives. This is corporate objectives. It talks about things like efficiency, effectiveness, and we have got better, we have got this, this is a whole list. So you can have this corporate objectives, and now you want to you can give an option that you want to map to one of them. This is used sometimes. The other is stakeholder impact. Now it's a matrix. So which are the stakeholders who are impacted? So for example, we want to sometimes make sure that which are the business units or which are the development units that this program would benefit to, and accordingly that builds a better case for us, right? So sometimes some organizations take stakeholders impact. I said it's a matrix, that means it is two-sided at least. So stakeholders may be positively or negatively impacted from a benefit. So if you are providing a stakeholder impact, you need to provide against them that these are the so these are like 4 benefits that come out of this initiative. These are the stakeholders. So this benefit is positive for 3 but negative for 2. uh, the second benefit is positive for one but negative for most of them, and then accordingly we derive, right? How heavy is the negative one heavier or the positive one heavier, and we analyze that. This is a very strong tool, sometimes used by certain organizations. The other is timeline. So how quick is the benefit realized after the program? So certain benefits may be with a short timeline, where okay, this is a program, if you do it we would analyze the benefit in 1 year, and it could be seen as a positive point, right? While this is a program, and or this benefit would be realized after 8 years, right? So do we really want to uh, go ahead with this one or not, right? So you need to relate, why are we categorizing? So try to understand the logic behind why would we want to opt for any of them. Sometimes program managers do not see the relevance of categorization, if you think from a program manager's purview, but point of view, but you see it's how important it is for an organization to understand these aspects. So it's very critical. Then the last one is level of risk. I find it pretty interesting. So whenever a benefit is listed, it comes with some risk, right? It's not necessary that we would be ending up realizing this benefit. So if it's more likely, probability of achieving this is high, then we say, so we categorize them as high, medium, and low risk benefits. Okay, now there is a way to actually a lot of value to it, and hence make it very prescriptive. Okay, so if 90% of the benefit is most likely it will be realized, then we say it comes with a low risk. If 60% medium, if 30% is most likely it would be realized, then it comes with a high risk, right? Then we multiply this percentage with the cost that has gone into as an input for realizing the benefit. The cost is delivery as well as the business change, sometimes after the delivery of the output, taking it from output to outcome capability, and the benefit it could be an organizational change initiative, things like that. So there has to be investment on travel, familiarizing people. Then for cultural change you need to run certain initiatives so that this output can actually be led to the benefit. So those costs also come into this input. So the percentage that may be delivered, multiplied with the input value, that will give you the a value that can be used as a criteria, right? So or the value for that category.